Wyatt's hiccups. Battery's got the bad gas.
So funny. Oh my gosh, you tell me you got hiccups.
He's talking to me. He knew I was taking pictures and recording and wanted to let me know he was okay and that he's hungry. And he also just said that you're making him sick. There's his little chart. Wyatt has the hiccups. Boop. Did it scare him? I think they're speeding up.
I bet you can't hardly tell him, Billy. With all this stuff.
Alright, I gotta get rid of his hiccups. Bye, Wyatt.